It's beyond any doubts that data science has become one of the most important areas of the business. You hear data science everywhere nowadays, across the industries, across the domains. Data science has created millions of high-paid jobs in the last few years. It's projected to create 30 million jobs in coming years. A career in data science is not only considered safe, future-proof, but also a highly respected one. My name is Ashok Veda. I've been actively teaching data science and artificial intelligence for past 4 years. I've trained more than 10,000 aspirants in these areas. I get a lot of questions regarding data science and career. A commonly asked questions are, I'm a junior, fresher, can I get into data science? Or I'm a senior experienced professional, 10 plus years. Can I still pursue career in data? Can I transition to data science career? Will I get the same salary? Or I'm not good in math. Is data science for me? Or I'm not good in programming. I never coded in my life. Can I still pursue career in data science? Or I'm not from IT background. Is data science for me? Etc. With my experience, I can tell you that there is no such thumb rule which can tell you that whether you fit as a data scientist or not. In fact, no one is born with a set of skills which makes them data scientists. Well, you need to know certain areas: mathematics, statistics, programming, analytical skills. All of these can be learned. Of course, you need a focused approach, a well-structured plan, and a good mentor. This 5 days bootcamp is specially designed to provide that. In this bootcamp, you get a strong foundation of data science and machine learning. And you do a project with the industry experts to get a hands-on feeling about delivering a data science project. You also get a toolkit which has a lot of ebooks and articles, which is very essential for the beginners. You get a certificate and many more. If you are analytically skilled and if you love solving problems, then career in data science is the right path for you. And this bootcamp will provide a kickstart for your data science career. If you would like to enroll for this bootcamp, please register yourself, and I'll see you in the next bootcamp batch.